In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a purchase on Fortnite on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to use the refund option on Fortnite. Before I start this, I want to make two things very clear. I am recording this on my PC, but don't worry, the instructions are going to be the same for Nintendo Switch. And second, you will not be able to refund the V-Bucks to the original payment method, so you won't be able to actually get your money back. So after you purchase an item, you can get back the V-Bucks that you spent on that item. However, you will not be able to send the V-Bucks back and then get the amount that you spent. So for example, you won't be able to get $10 back that you spent on V-Bucks. So regardless, enough talking. What you have to do is go over to the menu. So go to your icon or press the start button and then go into the settings. Inside of the settings, switch over to the last option, account and privacy, and finally you will find recent purchases. This is where you will see the options related to canceling purchases. So as you can see, according to the description, it is exactly like I said. You may cancel any unintentional purchase made with V-Bucks. Only items purchased within the last 24 hours are eligible for cancel purchase, so that's another limiting factor. And while you will be able to receive back the V-Bucks that you spent, as I stated multiple times repeatedly, you will not be able to send it back and then get the money that you spent back into the original payment method. So when you choose this option, you will see how many return tickets you have available, and any items that you purchased in the last 24 hours will be available to be refunded. So you just choose them from the list and cancel. This will give you your V-Bucks back and you are free to spend them in anything else that you'd like. So all that you have to do is go over to the settings, account and privacy, and then return or cancel purchase. You will receive one of these periodically, so every 365 days, aka a year, you will get an extra return ticket and you can use it on any eligible item. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel a purchase on Fortnite on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.